Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at our 5-burner shawarma machine. Okay, this is going to be used as a countertop unit. As we mentioned, you have 5 burners, so you got one adjuster for each burner. Okay, it's 5 separate adjusters. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the unit for you so you have an idea what this measures. For the width, you're looking at a total of about 21 inches. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 24, and the overall height, you're looking at a total of 45 inches high. Okay, now this unit is going to be certified by the health department. On the side of the unit, you can locate your certification and all the specs for this shawarma machine. Okay, you also will be provided with your necessary parts. For example, where you place your meat, you also have a meat tray right here that you place on the bottom. You also have a waste tray. You have an operating user manual if you have any questions, don't know how to use the unit. Also, the unit is going to be used for either natural gas or propane. It is already set up for natural gas. If you want to go ahead and convert this for propane, conversion kit is going to be provided. Okay, now if you follow me over to the back, you'll locate your plug. Now this functions with your gas obviously for the cooking, and the plug will be for the rotation. Okay, it runs 110 volt for the plug, and obviously you got your gas entry on the back as well. Okay, so you got gas for the cooking, electric for the rotation. Okay, so this is going to be a 5-burner shawarma machine. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. If you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.